Oh, where's Miss Holly?
Boo! Here I am. Are y'all ready for school today? Miss Holly's ready for school. Did I scare you? I surprised you? Okay, I can't trick y'all. All right, are you ready for school? Miss Holly is ready for today. So let's give a big hug. Y'all give a big hug to Miss Holly. Squeeze tight. Let me feel it. Ooh, that feels so good. Good job. Okay, we're going to start our day. What do? Y'all tell me. What do? What do we do when we put our hand on our heart? What is that? What do we say? The pledge of allegiance. So let's do that first. All right. Now y'all, you're doing this with me, right? I'm not doing this by myself. I need help. So y'all say it loud. Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Did y'all do that with me? I hope so. I didn't want to do it by myself. All right. It's calendar time. So, got the pointer. Does anybody remember what month it is? That's right, April. And what does April start with? The letter A. Oh, Miss Holly had sneezed. Excuse me. All right. So, I want everybody to say today is Tuesday. Tuesday, April. And what number are we on? Let's see here. Oh, the pointer is going way down here. It's going to be a big number. Oh my goodness. 21. 21. So we're going to count to 21. Can y'all do that? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Woo, that's a pretty big number. Did you do a good job counting? I'm sure you did. You're so smart. So smart. Okay. We're going to do our review. So we're going to review our shapes. Y'all's favorite game. Y'all are really good at this. Remember, if you get it right, you get a point. But if you get it wrong, then Miss Holly gets the point, and we'll see at the end who won. I don't think Miss Holly's ever won this game. You are good at this. Okay, I've shuffled them up. Are you ready? I want you to look at them before you answer, okay? First one is diamond. Say it loud. Second one is triangle. Oh, this is an easy one. You'll get this one. Heart. This is a hard one. Think about it. Trapezoid. Did you get it right? Oval. Rectangle. Square. Oh, I don't know. Octagon. Star. And our last one, how many did you get right? Circle. Did you win? I bet you did. You're so smart. Good job, Miss Holly's class. Okay. We have a couple of songs that I am going to try to teach you for Mother's Day. Now, I don't know if Miss Cindy is going to be teaching you songs also, but these are a couple that we would be learning at school, and so I thought we would sing them And then maybe if you could learn them over the next couple of weeks, you could sing them to your mom. She would love that for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a couple of weeks away. So our first song goes like this. And it has a few little motions. You can do the motions with me. And we'll practice every week. So it says, we love mothers, we love mothers. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Mothers are for hugging, mothers are for kissing. We love you, we love you. Thank you, mothers, for your love, for your love. Mothers are for hugging, mothers are for kissing. We love you, we love you. I bet you can learn that song. Your mom would love to hear that. I know you love her so much. There's one more. And this one says, Miss Holly doesn't know this one real well, so I don't have to read it. Listen as I sing this song, telling you about my mom. She can cook and she can clean. She can wash my dirty blue jeans. But the thing she does so well is to make me feel so swell. How about that one? That was a cute one. Okay, so there are 2 songs. But today, we're going to be talking about our last number. Does anybody know what was the number after 9? Let's think about it. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's next? 10. That's right. The number 10. Good job. So, you should have a sheet with the number 10 on it. It's a 1 and a 0. And what we're going to do is we're going to watercolor our number 10. So if you don't have your watercolors, I want you to go and get them. Okay? Miss Holly has her watercolors right here. So you're going to get your paintbrush out and you're going to need some water. So what do we do when we watercolor? Water, paint, paper. So we take our paintbrush, so we do water, paint, and then paper. And you can do any color you want to. You could do it all one color, or you can change colors however you want to. So right now we're working on the number 1 because a 1 and a 0 together is 10. Miss Holly likes to paint. Do y'all like to paint? If you didn't want to paint, then you could use your markers or your crayons and you could color it if you wanted to. Miss Holly just thought it would be fun to paint. And you're just going to go all the way around. How are you doing? That's looking pretty good. I'm going to use a little bit of brown too over here. I'm not sure if I've used every color or not. I think I might have, so I'll just start over. Some purple. If you wanted to, you could use 10 different colors on here if you wanted to stay with the number 10. But Miss Holly wants you to do it however you want to. You make it your very own, because whatever you decide is going to be perfect. Okay, now, when you get done, I want you to put 10 things on here. It could be 10 of anything. It could be, I'm just going to use 10 pieces of paper, just different color paper, but you could do cotton balls. You could put some goldfish on there. You can just glue whatever you do, stickers, whatever you have. And Miss Holly has some paper, so I'm going to take my glue bottle and I'm going to do 5 dots on the 1. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So y'all know what? 5 plus 5 is 10. Y'all just did adding. 5 plus 5 is 10. And so we're just going to take our paper and put them on the glue dots. Any colors you want to. I'm just going to put them on there. Perfect. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you didn't get done, just take your time. You can pause the video and do it at your own time. And then you can just hit play and you'll be right back with Miss Holly. All right, so I'm gonna set this over to the side and let that dry. And our next thing we're gonna do, you have a paper that says 10 stamps. Now, if you don't have 10 stamps, it could be 10 of anything, just like we did the number 10. You could do 10 stickers, you could glue on 10 things, but Miss Holly just happens to have a stamp. So if you do have a stamp, mine is a ladybug stamp. And I have a stamp pad, so I'm gonna make 10 stamps. And I want you to count with Miss Holly. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red ladybugs. Okay. And like I said, you could do stamp stickers. You could even draw pictures if you wanted to. You could draw 10 of some things. It would still be 10 things, right? Now for our writing page. Everyone should have a writing page. It says on our paper, on the left, you make a 1, a straight line. This is fun. Make a 0, now you're done. So you make a big loop, just like so. This is the way to make a 0. So you're gonna get your marker, any color you want to, and we're gonna start on the green dot. Green means go, red means stop. So we have green and red on the 1 and green and red on the 0. So we're gonna start on the 1, hold your marker, or you can use a pencil or a crayon. So we're gonna start on the green dot and go straight down. That was so easy. And then on this one, we're just gonna make a circle, start on the green dot and go all the way around. Stop. And that's how you make a 10. So a straight line is fun. Then you make a big loop, just like so. That's the way to make a 0. So let's finish each number. We have 1 more left. Perfect. Good job, Miss Holly's class. I know you did a good job. All I want you to do is just try your best. That's all I ever ask, is that you just try your best. Okay. Now, since this is our last number, we have our last number 10 book. 10 Fingers Can. 10 fingers can do many things. They can touch, clap, wave. They can dress in fancy rings. Ooh, those are so fancy. 10 fingers can catch a giant ball. 10 fingers can hug a favorite doll. 10 fingers can button, snap, and zip. 10 fingers can launch a sailing ship. 10 fingers can put on a puppet show. 10 fingers can tickle tiny toes. Are your feet ticklish? 10 fingers can play, play, play. Then 10 fingers can put the toys away. 10 fingers can learn to tie a shoe. 10 fingers can say, I love you. 10 fingers can count up to 10. Wow, that is fun. Let's do it again. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this is the page that it says, can you find? So if you wanted to, like I said, you could pause the video just on this page and you could find things on here that there's 10 of, and you could count them. So we're just going to do a couple of things. Let's see. Let's see if we can find 10 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There was 10. How about, what else is there 10 of? Maybe 10 balloons. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Is there other 10 things that you can see? You might could find some other things that Miss Holly didn't find. Good job, Miss Holly's class. Okay. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you is I wanted to share about the caterpillars. They're growing. They're getting so big. Miss Holly's going to hold them very gently. Can you see how big these are? They've just been eating away. And pretty soon they're going to go up to the very top and attach itself to the top. And then they're going to start making kind of like a little web. They're going to spin. Do you see how much bigger they are this week? They are doing great. So I'll show you again next week so you can see how much they've changed. So anyway, I'm pretty excited. Maybe pretty soon in a couple of weeks we'll have butterflies, you think? I hope so. Okay, well, Miss Holly's class, that was the end of our school for today. That was our last number. So on Thursday, we're going to do review. We're going to review the numbers 1 through 10. I'm going to be sending you the numbers that you haven't colored. I believe it's 7, 8, 9, and 10, and we're going to be playing a game with those. So I want you to color them this week and be ready on Thursday, okay? So I hope you have a great day. I love you. Bye-bye.